So, going over the basics of what I've learned from this course is wonderful. I'll start out with first our index file. Generally, when we create this index file, it has most of our HTML in it. We can do things like create divs and create classes, and then we label those with ID or class name. From there, we then have our style.css, and I've learned now that you can actually point to, as this A is pointing to a div ID over here, which is A. You can then do things like text align or font step. And we kind of did that in our past class, but you can do such things like making buttons or other types of things. As well, I finally understand now the point of JavaScript, or this is what I would call the main part of JavaScript. The functions are the key critical thing. You can have functions either be event listeners that listen to, or you can have basically a function that is called from the index.html. This is kind of your controller. This is more of your view, but this is also a type of controller. So let me actually explain that again. This might be more of a view. This styles that view, and this is the controller of where you can basically have everything functioning. What's really cool about this is in class we learned about Ajax, and you can actually have an Ajax go out to a server, which is this line here, which could then go into a database on the server, which could then go over back to the server, and then from there all that data would be put into some kind of function that actually handles that data, and from there you could then output it to your website. This is such a wonderful course that I've learned so many different technologies across a broad range, and I'm going to continue to learn more. Thank you.